How to recover deleted photos. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can go ahead and simply recover your deleted photos. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have deleted a photo mistakenly, maybe from your Google Photos app or maybe from your default home or your gallery app, but keep in mind that you can only recover your photos as long as it has been moved to trash, or which means if your phone supports a recycle bin feature, because many of the Android phones these days already have this feature by default. That is, if you try to delete an image from a gallery, it will be moved to the recycle bin, and Google Photos also already have this. So what you can try to do is, if I open my default gallery app, this is not a third party on my Samsung, this is a default gallery app. If I open it up and then if I delete a specific photo over here, let's say for example, I'll tap on the delete icon from the bottom, you can see it says move to recycle bin, which means that this photos has not been permanently deleted. It is going to remain in my recycle bin for at least 30 days. This thing also depends from phone to phone and from manufacturer to manufacturer. You could be using Vivo, Oppo, iPhones also have the dedicated trash folder, so you can go ahead and look for it in the trash folder. What you can do is now tap on the three lines from the bottom right corner and select the option called recycle bin. Now keep in mind that you might or might not have this feature, because not all phones support, or maybe you might have just not enabled the recycle bin feature. If I go to recycle bin, I'll be able to see all of the photos that I have deleted. Now if I want to permanently delete them, I would need to tap on the three dots and select the option called empty recycle bin. But if I want to restore it, I will select the photos that I want to permanently restore and tap on the button called restore from the bottom left in order to move them to my gallery, and these photos will be successfully recovered. As you can see, they'll be moved back to my main home screen. The other is, let's say you deleted it mistakenly but it has been actually saved to your Google account, so you can try to open the Google Photos application and log into your Google account. If by chance or by any luck you have saved your photos and backed them up, you'll be able to find all this in Google Photos. Also you have the trash section, so for that you have to go to library and then you'll find the bin button. Just tap on bin. Over here you'll see all of the photos that you have actually deleted. Just select them up and then tap on the restore button from the bottom. Now if you deleted it from your file manager, let's say, so I have the file manager app, and if I go to images and if I also delete it from my file manager, let's say any of the photos such as these moon photos, and tap on the delete button over here, the selected images will also be deleted from gallery and they'll be moved to recycle bin, and you have to go to your recycle bin folder in order to go ahead and then locate those photos. As long as the app from which you deleted has a recycle bin feature, you'll be able to restore them. Otherwise, if you have permanently lost them, you will not be able to do so. Just keep that in mind. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.